Most mannequins are just hollow shells. But true realism isn't just about what you see. It's about what you feel.
At Apex Process, we are re-engineering the physics of the human form. Welcome to the Weight Balanced Project. Our goal, to replicate the exact weight and center of gravity of an average adult.
We start with high-density polymers, used to simulate the weight of the skeletal system and deep muscle tissue.
The skeleton is the anchor. It must be strong enough to support 70 kilograms of specialized silicone.
Weight distribution is science. We place ballast weights precisely at the center of gravity to ensure natural balance.
Every joint is tensioned to hold a pose while supporting the full weight of the model.
We use a dual-density pore system, high-density silicone for core muscles and low-density for soft tissue.
Precision flow control ensures the heavy core silicone stays exactly where the mass is needed.
The mold itself is a feat of engineering, designed to withstand the immense pressure of the heavy silicone. Continuous rotation prevents the heavy fillers from settling, ensuring a uniform density throughout the body.
The outer layer is infused with microscopic glass bubbles to create a soft, lifelike give without adding unnecessary bulk.
Thermal stability is key when dealing with such high volumes of silicone. The reveal. This isn't a lightweight prop. It's a heavy-duty industrial masterpiece. You can see the heft. At 75 kilograms, this model responds to gravity exactly like a human body.
Notice the natural sag of the tissue. This is the difference that weight balancing makes.
We verify the balance. If the center of gravity is off by even a centimeter, it won't stand or move correctly.
Perfection achieved. The mass is perfectly distributed for realistic handling.
The haptic feedback is uncanny. It feels solid, substantiate, and startlingly real.
Because it's weighted correctly, it has the inertia and momentum of a real person.
High-end fashion houses use these models to see how heavy fabrics drape over a realistic body mass.
Security is paramount for such a heavy asset. The base plate is an integral part of the weight system.
This is industrial art designed for the world's most exclusive museums and boutiques.
For medical and rescue training, the realistic weight provides the ultimate challenge for trainees. Even the fingers are weighted to ensure they don't look like light plastic.
We document the mass of every limb, providing a full weight certificate with every unit.
Its stability is its strength. It stays grounded, literally.
Shipping a 75-kilogram silicone model requires specialized logistics and custom-built crates.
A warning that this is no ordinary mannequin.
A little further back.
All right, I got it. Is that good?
Yes, lock it down.
We are scaling the production of realism, 1 kilogram at a time.
Target weight reached. Consistency across the line.
You can feel the resistance. You can feel the lifelike inertia.
Precision friction joints meet realistic mass.
Engineering a heavier standard for the industry.
Stability, presence, reality.
Apex process. Feel the weight of perfection. Apex process. Realism you can feel.